It is unfortunate that the Tamil Nadu government has gone to the Supreme Court. They know the condition of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and the water inflow. But still we have respected the sentiments of the farmers of both the states and released whatever best we can. They know the business formula also. Though we had a lot of criticism to respect the law of this country, we have released sufficient of water, but we are not able to release whatever their demand was. We had a direction to release 10,000 cubic a day. That was not fully implemented. Today, the Honorable Supreme Court has said that today itself they are going to form a new three-bench committee in this issue. We have called a all-party leaders meeting on Wednesday. We will try to take a future course of action, plan of action on that issue. Tomorrow morning I am going to Ethinode project there to look into because we want those projects to be completed as early as possible. So, after this all-party meeting, we will take a decision how to go ahead, what has to be done. We will place the fact before the all-party leaders. In the interest of the state, it is very much important. We know that boards are also taking a tough stand for not implementing the lower authorities' order. But still we want to place our records straight. What is the fact, how much, because when there is no water at this time of distress, what has to be done is to be looked at very carefully. So I will discuss with all party leaders and the government will take a stand.
Will the legal team be part of this meeting, sir?
Yes, definitely. We have called all parliament members. We want our former chief minister also to be on part of this, and we will. Legal team also will be there in this meeting.
Sir, how much water is shortage here, and how much is you are capable to release? Because
see, we have only 55 TMC of water in all the cauvery basin projects, including Kabini, including Harangi, including Hemavati. Hemavati we have 20 TMC, Kabini we have 6.5. We have KRS 22 TMC, Harangi 7 TMC. Totally we have 55. But we need only for drinking water, we need about 55 TMC. For irrigation, about 80 TMC. Total, we need about 124 TMC. This is for our own consumption.
Sir, their appeal is to give fresh directions. Now, the Tamil Nadu is demanding for new directions to release some more water. So, what is the Karnataka stand for it, sir?
We will discuss. See, if there is a water, definitely we will respect them. We don't want, they are also our farmers. We don't want to disrespect them. We want to help them also. But looking at our situation, at least for drinking water, we have to safeguard at least drinking. Drinking is the priority, for all of us.